Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number X1017X. 55,000 miles in this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new, Quicksilver metallic in color. You receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Terrain's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Those back seats can be folded from the rear as well with a simple pull of the handle. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, automatic transmission, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices, heated front seats, and all-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Lots of storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.